So the first reason your alarm may not have gone off might be because of volume problems. So the first thing you want to do is go onto settings, click sound and haptics, and make sure that your ringtone and alerts is actually set to a reasonable volume. Also make sure that this change with buttons is turned off, because if you don't, what's going to happen is, let's say the previous day you reduced your volume right to, zero. What's going to happen is the alarm is actually going to change based on that volume. And, if it's on the lower setting, it's not going to play. Also, another thing is the haptics. Again, always click always play, because you may have placed your phone on, don't play in silent mode or never play. And because of that, your alarm doesn't go off. Number two, this is a bit old school, but just reboot your iPhone. Sometimes issues can be fixed, by just doing that, just restarting your iPhone and see if that, fixes it. Then number three, some of you may have, hearing issues, unfortunately. Sorry saying that, but, maybe pick a louder alarm, right? Um, go on to your clock app, open your alarm tab, and then type edit, and then choose one of your alarms, and then just pick one sound that might be louder than what you have currently. Um, then number four, um, again, go on edit on the alarm section, and then click on repeat. Again, make sure it's uh, this is turned on every single day of the week. And then also when it comes to your time, if you do not have the setting that I do, where the numbers go from 1 to 23, and you have it 1 to 12, you may have actually set your alarm to AM instead of PM, or PM instead of AM. So just make sure that that is correct. Then another one is your sleep wake up feature, right? If this is what you use, then again, make sure it's placed on the right time. And again, it's not PM instead of AM. And the same thing work here in terms of, make sure your alarm is turned on, the sound and haptics is in the right position, your sound is high, and your snooze is turned on. Then number six, what you can do is to simply go into edit, delete the alarm, and then just remake a new alarm for the same time. Again, that might fix it too. Then number seven, you want to make sure you only have one single alarm app. When you have multiple apps that essentially uh, uh, affect your alarm doing, sometimes they can disable one another. So again, you just have to make sure that you just have one app for your alarm. So, just delete everything else you want, because you don't want them to affect or disable each other. Then number eight, always make sure that you do not have headphones plugged in, and that you don't have your AirPods connected on, or any other Bluetooth headphone, simply because sometimes you may keep your Bluetooth attached to your headphone. And because of that, what happens is um, the alarm does go off, but it goes off on your AirPods instead of your phone. So again, that's something you have to remember. Always disable your Bluetooth. Make sure your iPhone is not connected to anything. Then number nine, make sure to update your iPhone. Always go onto settings, then near the end, go on to general. Go on to general. Uh, then software updates, and then just make sure that you don't have any updates. And I actually do. So, I'm just going to click update to, oh shit, let me not put my passcode here. But yeah, just make sure you update your iPhone to the latest softwares every single time. You know, the clock might actually have issues that the update will fix. So always make sure to have the latest update. Then the number 10, which is if everything hasn't worked, then save all of your files and transfer or reset your iPhone and erase all content and settings. This is obviously the worst case scenario. Hopefully everything else I've said fixes it. And that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching and see you on the next video.